Namaste class, welcome again. We are continuing with the base theorem. Okay, so in last lecture we have seen some problems. Now let us see a few more problems. Here the problem is a bag contains 7 red and 3 black balls, and another bag contains 4 red and 5 black balls. One ball is transferred from the first bag to the second bag, and then a ball is drawn from the second bag. If if this ball happened to be red, find the probability that a black ball was transferred. Okay, so have you understand what is given? Okay, you have two bag. In one bag you have 7 red 3 black, and another bag you have 4 red and 5 black. Okay, now you are transferring one ball from first bag to second bag, and then you are drawing a ball from the second bag. Now from the second bag, when you draw a ball, you find that it is of red color. You have to find the probability that black ball was transferred. So we have to find the probability of transferring of the black ball. So what we will do, we will divide sample space in two parts. One is that a black ball is transferred, and second is that a red ball is transferred. Okay, so P1 will be probability of transferring red ball. Now in first bag, transferring, we have to find the probability that black ball. Okay, first we will consider black ball. Probability of transferring a black ball. Transferring black ball. Okay. Now there is total 3 black ball. So it is 3 upon total number of ball is 10. 3 upon 10. Similarly, P2 will be probability of transferring red ball. Red ball. So total red ball is 7 out of 10. So it is 7 upon 10. Then P1 dash. P1 dash will indicate that I have transferred a black ball, and from second I have drawn a red ball. Okay, from second I have drawn a red ball. So P1 dash is P1 dash will be probability of drawing red ball from second bag. From second bag when probability of drawing a red ball from second bag when black ball is transferred from the first bag. When black ball from first bag. So when you transfer a black ball, the total number of ball will increase to 10, and number of red ball will remain as it is. So it is 4 upon 10. 2 upon 5 you can say. And similarly P2 dash will be probability of drawing red ball from second bag when red ball is transferred from first bag. So this is equals to probability of drawing a red ball from the second bag when red ball is transferred. So when red ball is transferred, my number of ball will increase. It will become 5 out of 10. So 1 by 2 is the probability. Now required probability. As we know that key from the second bag red ball is drawn, we have to find probability that we have transferred a black ball from the first. So required probability will be P1 into P1 dash divided by P1 P1 dash plus P2 P2 dash. So the value of P1 is 3 by 10 into 4 by 10 whole divided by 3 by 10 into 4 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 10 into 5 divided by 10 is equals to, now you use a calculator, you will get 12 upon 47 as the answer. So this is your required probability. Let us see the next question. A man speaks truth 3 times out of 5 when a die is thrown. When a die is thrown, he states that it gave an ace. What is the probability that his event has actually happened? Okay, have you understood that a man speaks 3 times truth 3 times out of 5? So 2 times he is saying false also. Now we have thrown a die. So when a die is thrown, he states that it gives an ace. Now when we throw a die, here if we are getting an ace, it means that we are getting 1 on the top. What is the probability that his event has actually happened? Now his event has actually happened means he is saying truth. Okay. What is the probability that he is saying the truth? So here we divide our sample space first in 2 partition. One is that he is speaking truth and one is that he is speaking false. Now when he is speaking truth, that time we can get ace, means we are getting ace, he is speaking truth and we are getting ace, he is speaking false and we are getting ace. Okay, means we are getting ace but he is speaking false, that means he is saying it is not an ace, right? So here we define P1. Here P1 is probability that he speaks truth. So this is 3 out of 5. Now P1 dash will be probability of ace. Probability of an ace. Now probability of an ace, here he speaks truth and when he is saying truth, I am getting an ace. Its chance is that 1 upon 6. Now when he is speaking truth, I am getting ace. So ace, there is only one ace out of 6. So I am getting ace. Its chances that 1 upon 6 probability of getting ace when he is saying truth. And when he is speaking lie or when he is saying lie, so probability he speaks lie, it is 2 upon 5. And P2 dash probability of not an ace. Okay, now when he will get some other number, when he is speaking lie and he is saying that okay, I got ace, it means that he is not got an ace, he has got some other number. So when he is lying, then the probability of getting an ace will be 5 out of 6. Okay, have you understood? Okay, when I am lying ki I got ace, I am lying, that means I have not got an ace, and the probability of not getting ace is what, 5 upon 6. So therefore required probability means I am saying that ace, and now I have to find that I am saying truth. So required probability will be equal to P1 P1 dash upon P1 P1 dash plus P2 P2 dash. So here it is equal to 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 whole divided by 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 5 into 5 upon 6, and you will get answer as 3 upon 30. This is the required probability. Now let us see next question. A man speaks truth 3 times out of 5. Acha, the same question is repeating. Three factories A, B and C produces 30%, 50% and 20% of the total production of an item. Out of their production, 80%, 50% and 10% are defective. An item is chosen at random and found it to be defective. Find the probability that it was produced by factory A. So what I will do, I will say here P1 is that item produced by A, probability of item produced by A. Now item produced by A, its possibility is 30 upon 100, that is 0.3. Similarly, I will define P2 as item produced by B, this will be 0.5, and P3 item produced by C, and this is 0.2. What will be the P1 dash? That item produced by A and it is defective. So P1 dash is here item produced by A and it is defective, this is 0.8. P2 dash is 0.5 and P3 dash is 0.2. Now we have to find the probability that it was produced by factory A. It was defective. It was known that the product is defective. I have to find that it is produced by factory A. So required probability will be equal to P1 P1 dash upon P1 P1 dash plus P2 P2 dash plus P3 P3 dash. So this will be equal to 0.3 into 0.8 upon 0.3 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 plus 0.2 into 0.2. 0.2 into P3 is what? 10%. Okay, here it is 0.1. P1 dash is 80, 50 and 10. Okay, into 0.1. Calculate it. You will get answer as 0.47. So this is our required probability. So this is what Bayes theorem. Okay. I recommend that you see the theorem you understand the concept, go through the textbook and try to solve some exercise problems, okay, to get confidence. Thank you. In the next class, I will discuss with you all random variables.